In 2019, NASA released a stunning video showing the melting of Arctic glaciers. As the climate warms in 2022, the Arctic frozen zone melts and emits a lot of carbon. Temperatures of Arctic and Antarctic have risen sharply like a fever, and the Greenland ice sheet collapsed like a giant dam. The greenhouse effect is leading to rapid global warming, sea level rising, mangroves, coral reefs, and other economic communities losing. Extreme weather often occurs in 2022, such as floods in Western Europe, torrential rains in Henan, and drought in Taiwan. The ocean covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. It stores 93% carbon dioxide of the Earth. Today, the oceans are still absorbing carbon dioxide at a rate of about 1 million tons per hour, removing 30% of carbon dioxide emissions every year. The ocean is not only the largest carbon pool in the Earth, but also the main force in regulating the climate. Moreover, it's a new growth point for the global economy. In 2021, the gross domestic product of China's marine industry has exceeded 9 trillion RMB. However, the carbon emissions can be ignored behind this achievement. The annual carbon dioxide emission of the fishery is about 17 million tons in the primary marine industry. The annual carbon dioxide emission from the transportation of secondary industry is about 310 million tons. Cargo and container throughput is still growing, and carbon emissions will continue to increase in the future. Around the world, according to the 2020 data from the International Maritime Organization, global shipping emissions of carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases have exceeded 1 billion tons. How to reduce the carbon emission of the marine industry, especially the marine transportation industry, will be the top priority for marine economy development in the future. Therefore, we propose the following 3 initiatives. First is to promote the energy transformation of the marine industry. China's existing ships are mainly diesel-powered, with high fuel consumption and large exhaust emissions. If natural gas LNG power is used to replace diesel oil, it can fully meet the power demand of ships. According to the current market price, the fuel cost can be reduced by more than 25%, carbon dioxide emission reduced by 10% to 14%, nitrogen oxide emission reduced by 14 to 16%, particulate emission reduced by 98 to 99%. If new ships such as LNG, wind energy, and biogas are used in the marine transportation industry, China will reduce carbon emissions by 4 million tons by 2040, accounting for 36.4% of the total carbon emissions of the marine transportation. Second is vigorous to develop the ocean energy. Ocean energy is non-exhaustive, renewable, and harmless to the environment, including tidal energy, wave energy, temperature difference energy, salt difference energy, and so on. The large-scale use of ocean energy can not only meet the needs of land production and living, but also provide electric energy for small ships, just like electric vehicles. Using recharged vessels instead of diesel oil for offshore fishing reduce carbon emissions by 46 million tons per year. Therefore, ocean energy has great potential for energy utilization. In the future, people in the ocean will develop harmoniously. It remains to be seen whether ocean energy can become the mainstay of the new energy era.